everyone, welcome back to KamRaze. Thanks for tuning in again. Yes, and today we are taking a tour in Kingston, right? But we are on Mandela Highway and I'm going to turn here on the overhead bridge and head back into Kingston. So stay with me as we explore and see what is there to see. Yes, so let us capture the experience together. And remember to like, share and subscribe and leave a comment. Let me know what's your favorite part of the video. Right now we're passing ATL Automotive right now at the moment, and we are on Mandela Highway. But this is like a, what we call this now, a turn off, so you can go to the companies on this side. But we're going to head back onto the main road right now. There's a passing Nestle right here. Nestle company. And we are going back onto highway. Yeah, so we are on the highway right now. Heading back into Kingston. And this is the vibes. We have a GPS plant on the left right now, so straight ahead is New Kingston, and if you turn to the right, that's Spanish Town Road. That will lead you to 3 Mile and downtown Marcus Garvey Drive. Yes, and also to the toll to Portmore. Yes, so now we are on Washington Boulevard, around the Duhaney Park area. Coming up to the stoplight. Gonna take a little detour for those who haven't seen Duhaney Park Mall for a long time. So we're going to take a tour and let you see how it is right now at the moment. Yes, so we're taking the left right here. And there it is on the right. So we're going to make the turn at the police station. Right here, here's chicken and things. Yes, we're making the turn right here. Next door is the Duhaney Park police station. Yep. And this is it. You have the total gas station here. K's Pharmacy ahead. You have a restaurant called Belly Bus. Yep, and many other stores here to shop. Now coming up to the Shoppers Fair supermarket right ahead. Maybe you can see the sign. And this is Duhaney Park Mall. It seems to be full today. Today is a full day today. Yes. Right here is Shoppers Fair, and in front of me are many other stores, and some are empty. Probably open for renting. So if you have any thoughts of doing that, there you go, you can get something like that here. It's an empty spot there, and people all over traversing, walking, going about their business. Yes. And right across is Duhaney Park. Duhaney Park. Yes. And we are going back onto Washington Boulevard. Back on Washington Boulevard, and we are going up the boulevard. Yes. Today is a lovely day, not too sunny, kind of overcast, and I think round on this road you can find Sherlock community. Yeah. And we're coming up to the stoplight where you can turn to Washington. What do you call that? Washington Garden. No, Washington. I don't remember the name of that road. Ahead on the left, we have a Tasties right here, and at the stoplight on the left is Patrick City Community right here on the left. There's a nice little plaza right here. Yup, the road is busy today. It's close to midday, so maybe that is the reason why the road is so active. So we're going to make another detour at the Boulevard Super Center right here on the left. Yep. This is Boulevard Super Center. There's KFC right there. So over here you have KFC, Burger King, you have National Commercial Bank, you have Lee's Food Fair, Lee's Pharmacy, Courts, Island Grill. Sit. Why? Whole place full today. Boulevard is filled today. So circling around the Boulevard Shopping Center, and we are passing KFC on the right here. KFC is always full. every day. Oh, you also have Domino's Pizza here. You have a barber shop here, Sugar and Spice, and everything nice. You're coming up to the Island Grill. Yep. Cruising through Kingston, Jamaica. And this is on Washington Boulevard, or off Washington Boulevard. So I'm just giving you a full tour of the super center here, and we got a lot of places to visit. So much things here that you might need. So whenever you're close by, this is one of the places you can visit if you need to grab something. Yes. So right across the board, from food to clothes to house supplies, whatever you need on a daily basis is sold here. You're coming around to Burger King. This is Boulevard Super Center. If you need anything, you can enter. Don't laugh off of my people. Yes, man. If you don't know the thing set, this is JA and this is Kingston. You know, beautiful Jamaica, real natural authentic vibes, you know. Yes, right now I'm going to drive through the gas station to enter back onto the main road. Strap on my seat belt. Yes, so we're going to enter back onto Boulevard I. Whoa, what was that? Main road? What was that? Yes, cruising through the streets of Kingston, Jamaica, and you're here with KamRaze. And if you haven't liked the videos yet, please remember to like the video. Yes. Well-known main road, always active, and this road will lead you right back to Kingston Spring. road, which will bring you back into Half a Tree. And we're going all the way up to the top of the boulevard. Or for now, that is the plan. Heading all the way up to the boulevard. So let's see when we get there. Passing a stop right here, a restaurant, B&E restaurant, and a gas station. You have another gas station on the right. Oh, this truck is blocking the view. Can't see nothing because of this truck. Yeah, so the truck was blocking the view. Yes, now you can see much better. We're going to make another detour to another mall up ahead. Oh, let me go across. I think the turn is right here. Is it? Yeah, I think so. So we are on Boulevard Sovereign Center. We are going to Boulevard Sovereign Center right now at the moment. Going to give you a quick tour of the place so you can see what it looks like. So this is Boulevard Sovereign Center. Yep. There's not much here, really. But oh, I gotta tell him about this. So you have Little Tokyo at the end there. Which part makes it out of this place, you know. Right now I don't know which way to exit, but I'm going to exit here. Yes, my people. So, for those who didn't know, that is Sovereign Center on the boulevard. Now we're heading up the boulevard right now. mountain in the background. I know you can see it. Wow. We are on Constant Spring Road. She looks busy right now. Busy. Yep. Halfway tree is busy today at the moment, which it's normally busy. Yes, Arbitrary is busy. Lots of traffic right now in Arbitrary. Lots of traffic here. Right now passing Popeyes on the left. And if you know Arbitrary, you know Arbitrary. And if you don't, this is it. Right now, famous Arbitrary. Cruising through. On the left and Starbucks